how to increase the processor or CPU speed in Windows 11. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by clicking the magnifying glass to search, or click the Windows Start button to search, and then click the Type here to search bar at the top and search for Control Panel. There you go. Left click that. Now, if you don't see these icons, you want to go to the top right, View by, and go to Large Icon. Yours will probably be on Category. Now what you want to do is click Power Options. Now, as you can see, there's Balance, Recommended, Power Saver, and if you click Additional Plans, you can see High Performance. You can select this plan, favors performance. You may use more energy. Now, once you're done with that, you can close that out. Now you want to open up your File Explorer, go to this PC, right click it, go to Properties, which will open up this System About page. What you now want to go to is Advanced System Settings over here on the right, which will open up the Systems Properties. Now under Advanced, next to Hardware, you click the Performance Settings, and there you go. What you now want to do is click Adjust for Best Performance. There you go. Hit Apply. And now OK. OK again. Now all you got to do is restart your PC, and you should have successfully increased your performance and increased the processor or CPU speed in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.